Okay guys, let's now move on to the next, which is all about shop pages and shop designer. So let's go here. Now, keep this in mind that the thing that you need when it comes to stores are these three things: products, shop designer, and shop pages. So basically, shop pages is your product page. So let's go through that so that you would be able to understand better. So basically, shop pages, let's go here. Shop pages is like what your store looks like. Whereas if you are going to go to shop designer, this is where you will integrate the page that you have made. So this is like the mainframe, and then the product is what you put on the mainframe, and at the same time, the shop pages is what is your configuration on how that shop will look like. So let's go first to the shop pages. And then we have themes here. This is the one that I've been talking about earlier. It would be best if you use these themes here rather than using the theme at the start of the creation of the e-commerce store. Because what this will look like is this. So there are already tons of themes ready for you, and we are still going to keep on updating it as much as possible. But basically, these are already the setups wherein you can just change the images here. So for example, let's go for this one, use template. Now, once you use this template, you are going to name it. And let's just name it test template. Now, always bear in mind that you have to click save when you make changes. Now, okay, so as you may see here, it already looks gorgeous. And what you are going to need to do is just change the images, and then you are already set to go. So that's how easy it is. Now, if you would like this and you would just like to remove some cells there, you can click this one and it will bring you to that distinct block, wherein if you want to delete it, you can delete it. You can add columns to it. So basically, it's just a matter of discovering the features here based on how you need it to be, or the results that you want your website to have. So here we also have SEO, then you can just add it here. Now before, like here we have a proelkan.net/that page. So here, once you type something here, let's say your product is all about books. So what will happen is if you have your own domain, let's say the domain is proelkanproducts.com/page/book. So that will automatically apply. So basically we are just adding it here so that you would already be able to access it in the testing phase. Now, if you have already added your own domain, then therefore you can just look at this one using that domain/page/books, which is your product. So that is something that is very useful. Now, okay, let's now proceed to the next part, which is applying this to the website itself. Now let's go back. Let's just click save one more time, and then okay, let's hit home, reload. When doing e-commerce, this is the usual step-by-step process that I do. I always reload so that everything will be refreshed when I'm about to configure the store. So let's now go to shop designer. So earlier we created a page, which means that was the visual template. Now what we are going to do next is equip that to the designer, which is by using this one. Okay, there you go. It was added because by default it will choose something that is pre-existing. So that was already added here. But if you want to solidify here and just add it to declare it, then you can do that. Now here are some choices. You can actually add or remove menus here by adding click and dropping here, and then just go back here. And then if you want it to be in light mode, you can actually choose it in dark mode. Then if you want to see the view on laptop or PC, there you go. You want to see the view on the tablet, this is the one for it. And if you want to see the view on the mobile phone. So everything actually looks good already, and you just have to edit it based to your needs. Now, the header type is this one. So if we are going to change some stuff here, let's just go back to laptop mode. And then you can just play around here if you want, because the logo should be here. But since we haven't uploaded any logo yet, what this does is that it will be transparent, so it will be continuous here. So the logo will be here. Just imagine that this white area is not there and the cart is here. So basically, it just moved everything up without this white space here when you say it's transparent. And this Genova and Tatiana preview is just basically the positioning of the logo. So one of it positions the logo on the left, and one of it positions the logo in the middle. So that's just that. So basically, what Pro Elkan does is that this can already, with just a few clicks, you won't even have to spend 30 minutes. You will already be online. Your business will already be online. So once we hit that, let's just save shop homepage design. What did it say? No shop body. Okay. Because we haven't chosen that yet. Okay, so there you go. Actually, the Tatiana header type applied were in what I've said earlier ago. They are located here. So that's a great thing. I usually use this design so that it would be able to create the experience more there's some more finesse to it because it's continuous. So okay, let's save that and then go back here, and let's just go to create an edit store. And then what we're going to do is just take a look at it. Okay, there you go. So it's just that fast and it looks gorgeous. So imagine being able to launch your store within just like 15 minutes. We haven't done even an extensive tutorial for this, and people can already order some stuff for you. And but this is just gonna be great for you because you're already online and you just need to keep selling and just bring traffic to this website. So that's all for this part wherein we've discussed the shop pages and the shop designer.